how you can make your first $500 per day with TikTok by just posting one video per day. Now in this video I'm going to show exactly how you can do it with TikTok affiliate marketing, basically promoting other people's product without showing your face, basically faceless account without any following. So you don't need any following up front. Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, some of the results we're getting with affiliate marketing. Now let me go straight to TikTok over here so you can see exactly how this works in 2025, especially if you're a newbie or a beginner. Okay, you can see over here in the last, let me go over here so you can see in the last 7 days, right, we had over 364,000 views from December 31st until now. You can see over here, right, 533 shares and 3,300 comments and 36,000 likes. Now in 2025 the game is different. It's all about engagement, right? So social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, they love engagement, right? Why? Because if people are sharing, that's like free marketing for you. It's like organic traffic, basically, meaning if people love the content or ads they're engaging with, commenting, right, it means that they're going to share. And it's true. Look, 533 shares, which is not bad. It's really good. Imagine 500 people sharing to their friends and family on TikTok. Do you think they're going to buy the weight loss supplement on ClickBank? ClickBank is a free platform where you can promote products and get paid up to, I don't know, $1,000 per sale, $500 per sale, $50 per sale for different products, some personal development, self-help, dating, right, relationships, weight loss, Nutra, supplements, right? So you can get paid without owning the products, without any shipments, right? Now, why this really matters is because engagement means sales. It's all the events that are happening. If someone is watching your video for 25% of the video or 75% of TikTok video, it means they are engaged, right? And at the end, there is the call to action, which is buy button, right? And you can get up to 90 to 100% affiliate commissions for promoting other people's daily products, right? Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you are. You can be the US, India, doesn't matter. Before I go further, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram over here, or my WhatsApp and email, my Facebook. Okay, so here you can reach out to me, ask me any questions you want with regards to affiliate marketing, monetizing TikTok, making money online in 2025, but only if you're serious, right? Now, let me go straight into it so you can understand how this actually works. You can see over here, right? People are glued to their screens 24/7. You go anywhere, you see people on their phones. Now, why this matters is because you can take advantage and leverage this in 2025 to once finally start making money online, right? You can see people are usually in the buying state on TikTok. Let me prove you this, because you can see the studies has been made that 90% of TikTok users say they have discovered new product on the app itself. So what does it tell you? It tells you that people are in the buying state. They have their debit card or credit card ready to buy, right? So you don't have to do any persuasion, any tricks or sales. They're already there to buy, okay? Especially if you have a high quality product that you are promoting to the end consumer, all right? So you can see over here, right? It drives action. It's not just for entertainment. It's also education, marketing, and sales. You have to understand, if you have bought any courses before in the past about making money online, maybe you lost money, you didn't make money, and it's not your fault. I understand, because I know how it feels to lose some money. But the main reason why is because if you have doubts with the work, the reason where you are right now is because of your doubts. The doubts are holding you back from getting results and success online, right? So you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and show you exactly, hand-holding you along the way to have sustainable income in 2025. Okay, because TikTok is like Wild West right now. Okay, there is not much regulation, compliance. So yes, even before and after images for weight loss you can do. There is so many things that can be done together for you if you're really serious and want to take it to the next level. Alright, so you can see even Gary Vaynerchuk saying live social shopping trends for 2025. It's happening. Now, how fast you can make money? You can see this is faceless account, okay? Sales per day, let's say you have one sale per day and you're getting paid $150 per sale. So weekly you can earn $1,050 or monthly income $4,500. If you have only 3 sales per day, you can be earning $13,500 per month. Now, How much time investment you need? I would say 20 to 30 minutes max every day. 20 to 30 minutes. Because once you have one video up and running, and I have a viral strategy that can help you get results, you can spend $20 per day. Like, let's say for the first 3 days, you can spend $20 each day. So it's together $60 US. And then the TikTok algorithm will push it out to the audience for free. Okay, because they're engaging. Remember, I showed you before, they're engaging. And engagement drive the algorithm to share it more and more. And the end result is you getting sales because you have affiliate link in your bio. And you can comment under with affiliate link. Alright? All this you don't have to learn all this. All this can be done for you. Okay? So, this is the new way of making money online. Right? Get a highly profitable product, all done for you. Quiz funnel, which is basically a quiz with functional questions that gets people into the problem state and move them slowly into the solution state where they make a buying decision. Like, for example, on ClickBank. After they watch a video sales letter on ClickBank, they click and buy the product, and you as an affiliate, you get 90% affiliate commission. Okay? You can see how quickly you can profit. So if you're spending $50 per day, you can be making up to $250 US or $300 revenue, which is $250 per day profit. With affiliate marketing, with TikTok, with just one video, faceless video. Okay? So you see, we get it done together. Like, for example, over here on the Zoom call, we get it done together. And even here, example, if you're making only $500 per sale, that's $500 per week or $2,000 per month. Now, if you get only 2 sales per day, you're making $4,000 per month or $1,000 US per week. You can see, right? You can promote low ticket or high ticket affiliate products on ClickBank. Really entirely up to you. Okay, so now this can 100% guaranteed work for you if you have just few things. So if you have a laptop or a computer with a Wi-Fi connection, and if you have only 20 to 30 minutes per day, and if you can follow simple step-by-step directions, okay? So this is not a course. This is one-on-one together with you, okay? So that's how it works. Now, what you can do next, if you're watching this video, and if you want to get results in 2025, in January, let me know. Connect with me one-on-one. The links to my Instagram, WhatsApp, yes, my personal phone number are below in the description. And let me know if you're really serious, if you're not excuse maker, procrastinator, if you have some money to invest in yourself to actually get up and running finally once for all, and start getting the results, and let me know, and we can make something happen.